Hey y'all, so I'm very excited because this is my first time doing a requested video from a Showoff. They went into the comments and they were saying how they're reluctant to get a chest wax because they're scared about the nipples and how it will actually feel. So we decided to do an entire series based on male services. And as you can see, I'm cleaning the area and now I am going to apply jojoba oil, which we sell in the spa after services, to the nipple. And the reason why I do this, and now I'm applying the soft wax. The reason why I apply the oil directly to the nipple is because it protects the skin of the nipple to make sure no wax gets on it. In addition to that, if wax does get on the nipple, it does not stick. So you don't have to worry about your nipples being destroyed when you get a wax. And as you can see, he's lying there very calm, very still. And I am going to do the speed method. I'm going to release the video for the entire chest after this. Oh my God. Okay, it's so satisfying how easy that wax just comes off and is very, very smooth. So as you can see, there's nothing left. And even after I do cleanup, I'm going to show you how I cleaned it up. So I immediately took some hard wax, went in for the residual hair that was left over. It was only a few, but they were very close to his nipple. So I went in with the hard wax, and that is going to adhere to the hair itself and not to the skin. And I always use the hard wax for cleanup, never for entire areas. Use my rollover method to cool it down, make sure it's sticking, and snatch off. And look at that. Good and gone. So now I'm going to do the exact same thing to the other nipple, oil it a little bit. And it's out of frame a little bit, guys, because I was recording on my phone. He came in, asked for a half chest wax. I asked him, could I record it? Of course, he obliged. And this is to show you guys that there's nothing to worry about when you're coming into the spa. We are professionals. It is not like 40-year-old virgin when you come in and it's so dang on painful that it's ridiculous. No, we have a lot of male clients who come into the spa and they come more regularly, that's a weird word to say for me, than a lot of our female clients who they actually come on a regular as well. But the male clients, they do not miss, they do not stray. And this is one of the services that we give them in the spa. We'll do chest waxes, and look at that.